if you need assistance.
Please remain seated, facing forward, keeping your feet flat.
Right here on my leg, actually. My leg's taller. All right, everyone, here we go. All right, I have not ridden this ride this year at all. I have not been on this in like 3 years or something. So let's see how it is.
It wasn't that good.
Well, we'll find out. Like, it is a classic BTC. You can't expect that much.
Well, it's not that it's like, you know, it's like, it doesn't do much. It's fine. It's not that bad. It's just, it was rough last time I rode.
All right, we'll see if it's rough today.
Here we go. It pushed my restraint down. That was forceful. I'm probably gonna get another one right here.
That is a slam stop because
That was a slam stop.
yeah, that was fun though. That was better than I remember. It wasn't too rough. It was just shaky.
better than I remember.
It was just a little shaky. It's a classic. You can't expect it to be pitch perfect. Right, we're going back to the station. There goes Steelforce. Alright, well that was fun. I actually enjoyed that. I do not enjoy my knees being completely on that. I'm just too tall.
Oh, look, the plate, you can see it.
Once your train has
The restraint plate.
stop,